Cat Skull Gear. In his travels, Geralt upon the trail of a witcher named Kian. Having heard tale of this witcher's legendary equipment before, Geralt decided to investigate. Visions of mighty armor and sharp weapons glistening before his eyes. Find the diagrams of all the Cat Skull witches. Under Temple Isle. There. Under Temple Isle. There's water down there. So we're going cliff diving. Alright, here we go. Nope. Oh, I'm gonna break the game. I mean, uh-oh. Just how do I get there? That's the question. Don't die. Oh, I'm sorry. I got a message in the chat saying he liked my content, but it sounded like he was oh my god, I'm on the right path. By Friday.
Something here. Where's that artifact Kira gave me?
Kira met. I like the stuff hanging from the ceiling, but I see a monster in the distance. Certainly I get through there. Smite game's going good. Why did I blow up? Of withdrawal. Okay. So I'm just exploding with no noise for some reason. It'd be great if I didn't do that, thanks. Invoice for a golem? Oh, no, you're there, buddy. He's friendly? Not friendly.
Hang your head from my saddle.
Okay. Just blindly into the rage, huh? Alright, well, this game is easy. Look to the depths to be lifted up. Surely this doesn't work.
That stench.
Oh, hold up. Man. Is that a guy over there? Surely it's not a real human. Why do I feel like he's like burned or crisp or something?
No good, no evil, only pain.
Mad Cayenne.
Any last words?
What? I'm not doing enough damage to him, surely. Fuck. Oh my god, I one-shot him. Moonblade. Is that his head? It is. There's the head. And there's the body. So, like, I'm looking for Witcher gear. So... there's one chest. It's gonna have everything. Moving out. Est Taillere. Explore the ruins of Est Taillere. Wow. That's crazy.
Kill if you love the gods! Get him! Come on! Witchcraft!
You're gonna watch, huh? Nope, nothing good, bro. What the... That's so stupid. Are you kidding me?